We don't spin bottles here, so one of y'all's gonna have to go. Feel like we're playing a game of chicken. Alright. Come on, man, don't waste the song. My pride won't let me. Who was it? All right, Eman. All right. Yo, it's a 1v1 battle. It's a 1v1 battle. This is B-boy stuff around here. Okay. Okay. There we go. What's up? Okay. Whoa! A flow state of mind.
There you go.
What? Round two. What you got, Eman? He said, What's up? Battle styles. House of Dance, Twin Cities. What you got? Whoa. Ninja styles. Whoa. Yeah. What? Whoa, trippy. Yo! I can tell we worked out. Let's go. What's up, G-Conscious? What?
Go, Jenny.
Whoa, what just happened? Sneaky. Slide. And the family song. That was crazy. Judges, 3, 2, 1. G-Conscious with the win. Can I get Slink? Can I get Slink on my left?